Let's see how to register a subgraph on the DappLooker platform and take advantage of the Subgraph native analytics platform that is DappLooker. To do that, let's go to the My Dashboard page and click on Register Project. For this example, I'm going to use the Enzyme subgraph on the Ethereum mainnet. So coming back to DappLooker, let's just select a new project and this data source as Subgraph. Click on Register. Let me enter the project name and I'm gonna enter Enzyme Finance. You can select the network the project is on, so I'm gonna select the Ethereum mainnet. All I have to do is copy and paste the Subgraph API endpoint. So I'm going to paste it here and I am going to search for the Enzyme Finance website, and I'm just going to copy and paste the website and I click on register, and there you go. The Enzyme Finance protocol is registered and the subgraph is going to be synced soon. It asks me if I want to wait while the project syncs. So I'm going to cancel this and see the project has already synced 10%. Once the project is synced 100%, we send you an email or a push notification so that you know when your project is ready for analytics. And that's how you register a subgraph on DappLooker. Happy analytics!